Okay, so in this next exercise then, we are going to go into 90-90 good mornings. And so what this is going to allow us to do is to be able to get the hip into an already kind of fixed position where you're going to feel like a little bit of a stretch within the glutes. And then we're going to move into like a good morning position, keep it nice and upright all the way through to really get that stretch throughout the whole of the hips there, which you're going to really feel. So what we're going to do is we're going to adopt the 90-90 position. So you're going to be in this position here where one leg is forward, 90 degrees, other leg is back there, out to the side and down at 90 degrees, okay, like so. And then what we're going to look to do is try to adopt a nice upright supported position like this, pushing your hand up from that point here, and then you're just going to keep yourself nice and upright and bring yourself forward so you start to feel a stretch there in the glutes. If we turn around this way, it's easier for you to see on the side. And so from here, you keep it nice and upright in that position. Try and keep the back nice and straight. We don't want to try and round the back out too much, so keep it nice and upright here. And then just from here, we're going to allow the chest to come down towards now the knee. We're going to come down, bring it down as much as we possibly can. You'll really feel a bite there within the glute. Okay, let it come all the way down as much as you can, and then back up to the top, like so. And again, the more that you use your hand for support to push yourself nice and upright, okay, the more that you're going to get, okay, in terms of the stretch now, in terms of coming all the way down, really hitting it, keeping the back as straight as you can. Hit that position, bring the chest down nice and low. You're going to feel a bite there throughout the whole of the glute range, and then come back up, like so, and then back down. All the way down, hold the position, hit it, nice and controlled, and then back up, like so. Okay, come down, get the bite on it, get a real good bite on it, go as far as you can, and then come back. And what you might find is, as you're going through this now, that you'll start to get better range the more that you do. So as you keep pushing things forward and you keep moving forward, after about 5, 6, 7 reps, you'll start to feel it ease off a little bit more. So then just take that range then that little bit further from that position, okay? And so for this one then, we're going to be looking at least 15 reps on each side. So stay on one side, do 15 reps, change over, and then do 15 reps on the other side.